What you're hearing isn't from a horror movie. NASA recorded this signal from Saturn, one of the most haunting sounds ever captured from our solar system. Imagine floating alone in deep space. There is no air, no wind, no voices. Space is completely silent. But then, your radio suddenly comes alive. A chilling, ghost-like scream echoes through the darkness. It sounds as if something enormous is calling from millions of kilometers away. That sound came from Saturn, and yes, NASA actually recorded it. Before you imagine giant aliens hiding inside Saturn, here's something even stranger. The sound wasn't created by living creatures. It was produced by Saturn's incredibly powerful magnetic field. Saturn is surrounded by invisible magnetic energy that traps charged particles from the sun. When these particles move along the planet's magnetic field lines, they generate powerful radio waves. Those radio waves travel through space. Here's the creepy part. Humans can't naturally hear radio waves. They're completely outside the range of human hearing. So NASA converted those radio signals into sounds we can hear. The result is one of the most haunting sounds ever captured from another world. It doesn't sound mechanical. It doesn't sound natural. It sounds almost alive. The recording was collected by NASA's Cassini spacecraft while it explored Saturn for more than 13 years. Cassini discovered massive storms, towering rings made from billions of pieces of ice, and even moons that may hide underground oceans. But among all of its discoveries, the strange radio emissions became one of the most unforgettable. Many people who hear them compare the sound to screams, haunted whispers, or voices coming from deep space. Of course, scientists know the real explanation. The sounds are created by electromagnetic activity, not monsters or ghosts. But that doesn't make them any less unsettling. Imagine hearing those eerie signals while drifting alone through the darkness, with Saturn slowly growing larger outside your window. Knowing the science doesn't always make the feeling disappear. The universe isn't terrifying because it's full of monsters. It's terrifying because it's real. Invisible magnetic fields, planet-sized storms, and strange signals crossing billions of kilometers through empty space. Sometimes reality is stranger than fiction. So the next time someone says space is silent, remember this. It may be silent to your ears, but the planets have been singing all along. Subscribe for more true mysteries from the universe.